In these final steps, we're going to put the netting back into the base. You want to take this hard plastic piece, line it up behind the sensor clip. Take your wedge tool. Do not use your nails because your nails will split. Take your wedge tool and push the hard plastic piece into the clip. You should hear a click once it's in. The final step is applying the clips back into the base. This part can be tricky, and I will go over some troubleshooting tips if you get stuck. The easiest way to do this is this flat piece here goes into this opening on the inner clip. You pop it in. I use my thumbs. I push down on the side closest to the netting first. Once I hear the clip, then I can do the other side as well. One of the parts that you might get stuck on is trying to get these clips back in. And here is the trick. If you're seeing that this opening right here is thin, this clip is not going to clip in there. This opening right here needs to be wide open like this one. The reason that this one is not open is because the hard part of the netting is not pushed all the way in. So you'll have to pull it out, take your wedge tool and push it in a little bit farther, and you'll see that little mouth open up. Now your clip will go in smoothly. The other part where you might get stuck on is you'll find that it will go in. The first one will snap, but then this second clip will not snap in. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to take your wedge tool and you're going to go directly into the second hole and push down. And it should pop right into place. If your Snoo has a lot of little pillings on the netting, that can easily be removed with a fabric shaver. This is a fabric shaver I got off of Amazon. This is in my tool supply list. You can easily click on the link to purchase. All you need to do is turn it on and go over the pilling portions, and it shaves it right off. So after you have all your clips in and your Snoo is dried and clean, you're ready to go.